How to convert Gmail to Word document. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial, and today I am going to show you some simple steps to convert a Gmail into a Word document. First, go into the Gmail you want to convert into a Word document, and after that, select the content of the mail. After that, right click and copy, or you can also use Ctrl C, and go to Word and click on a blank document. After that, right click on the page, and here you would see several paste options. So if you click on the first option, all the contents of the mail will appear, and the second option will merge everything in the document. And if you select the last option, it will only copy the text from the mail. So you need to click on the first option. There you go, the mail has been copied in your Word. After that, you can click and edit several contents from this document, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.